We're getting rid of these dish pan hands this morning. Great to have Ryan Thompson from Gray Isle Designs, because we're talking about doing it yourself. Just little jobs. Little jobs within the home that you can build some confidence to help you maybe tackle bigger jobs.
That's
or
it.
maybe not. But like you start small.
That's it. You got to start small.
Is that how you got into it? Like, how did you get into this, this world?
That's exactly how I got into it, doing small little projects in properties that I had, fixing them up, and over the years, bigger and bigger and bigger. So
and you're now at the point where you're a builder,
houses,
you're building houses, you're a developer.
Properties,
awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, so where's a good place to start? Is it over here?
Yeah, so this is a outlet cover.
Yeah.
And this is trimless outlet cover, so it has no screws, right? So in order to swap this out, most people have the screw version. You just need a screwdriver.
That's
right?
it. You can get that at any hardware store.
Yeah, Rona has these in stock. You can go to any store and install. You just take off the 2 screws, pop this on.
Where does it latch onto then?
So what happens is
just even leave it there, but turn it around. Oh, you got the little demo here. Okay, nice.
Yeah,
okay.
so you can see. Popped off those 2 screws.
Right.
That one already has it there, where it's made for the screwless version, and it just pops.
Because it's just a cleaner look.
Yeah.
Right. They have different colors too. If you wanted to change up the color from white.
They do.
So that's an easy thing to do. What about this one? A vent that actually works into the floor, because you're seeing a lot of vents that they might be plastic, they might be white, like. I don't know, stainless steel. They kind of really stand out.
Yeah, so this is an easy way to upgrade the look. So if you have a hardwood floor, a laminate floor, it doesn't really matter what type of wood floor it is, but you can go to a big box, again, like a Rona, and you get a unfinished oak, right? So it's not stained.
Yeah.
And you can stain it to match
so you wouldn't even,
floor.
it just works right in like you're doing here. Okay, so you can't even really, see.
So you may need to do a little trim.
Okay.
So the skill level, if you want to make
Steps
sure you're comfortable,
it up a little bit with that,
but
some power
sometimes it
tools.
goes right in, and so that's a nice, easy upgrade you can do there.
Trim. Let's get to this.
Okay, this is wall trim. So what I actually brought is a really cool product.
I've never seen this before.
Yeah, it's stick-on. It comes in a roll.
Okay, so you wouldn't want to do a whole house like this. You wouldn't even maybe a whole room like this, but a small little job like this. Yeah. This would be perfect.
Yeah, maybe you're doing an accent wall. Okay. Right? Yeah. And this is a really good product to do that. So let's.
You got 2 more pieces that we need here. Okay, so what do we do?
So
these are, you've already done the cutting for us. So thank you, Brian. That's
I've
really
already
nice.
done the cutting, and you can cut these with a saw, with a scissors.
These would cut with a scissor.
Yeah, these could
at
cut.
A 45.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so yes, you want to get your level.
You want to get the level up here. Okay.
And you want to make sure this bubble right here is nice in the center.
Right in the center.
Right.
Okay, we got 90 seconds. So then this actually just peels right off.
There you go. Whoa.
We got it!
All right, so you're going to get it right in that corner.
Like this?
Yep.
Right, in that corner. Push it in like that.
Okay, we're a little bit off level.
Okay,
so
oops.
What we're going to do
is fix that up here. I just want to make sure we get this done.
Straighten that
got a
out.
minute left here, right? So I want to get this
And the top
one here.
goes on nice and easy.
The top one in there right there. Move that over a little bit. Perfect.
All right, and then one final step when we do this, just to complete the look, is we're gonna want to add some caulk.
Just some caulking in there, just to kind of fill
all the seams and gaps. That really just completes the look.
We got 30 seconds left. Something else that you say is pretty easy is door handles.
Doorknobs.
Doorknobs.
All you need is a screwdriver.
That's it.
All right, and you can pop out the old one.
What about YouTube University?
That's
always
a good place. That's a good place. If you get stumped, go on YouTube University, type in how to change a doorknob. You'll find hundreds of videos on how to change a doorknob. It's very simple.
We don't have time for this one. This one gets a little because you have to do some mudding. I've done some mudding in the past, and you just have to build your confidence with small little jobs, and then you can kind of go from there.
Yeah.
Okay. Ryan Thompson. Good stuff, man. Gray Isle Design. Good luck with all the DIYs. Hope they go okay.